Hello, my name is Scott Hafitz. I'm currently a sophomore here at USF studying finance. For our Tableau video presentation, we had to go through cat insurance's numbers and graph them in Tableau to analyze. For this project, we had 6 different requirements. For requirement 1, we had to take the spreadsheet in Excel and correct any errors that we saw. For requirement 2, we had to find the total sales in each state and list them from highest to lowest. New Jersey had the highest total sales with $1,146,182.72. Massachusetts had the lowest total sales with $801,545.86. For the second part of requirement 2, we had to find the average cost of insurance in each state. New Jersey had the highest average cost of insurance with $826.96 per plan. Connecticut had the lowest average cost of insurance at $630.70 per plan. For the last part of requirement 2, we had to find the total number of sales in each state and list them from highest to lowest. Maine had the highest number of sales with 1,400. Louisiana had the lowest number of sales with 1,230 sales. For requirement 3, we had to find the total sales by region. There are 6 regions for this company. Northeast had the highest total sales with $9,770,475.20 of sales. New England had the lowest total sales out of all the regions with $5,075,358.05 of sales. For requirement 4, we had to find the highest selling salesperson in each region. For the Northeast, Matt was the highest salesman with $3,320,858 worth of sales. In the Southeast, Jennifer led the way with $2,775,925.71 worth of sales. In the Midwest, Dave was the leading salesperson with $2,771,645.73 worth of sales. In the West, Peter was the leading salesperson. Peter was also the leading salesperson for the entire company with $3,719,932.56 worth of sales. In the North Central region, Mario had $3,688,631.60 worth of sales. In New England, Sarah was the leading saleswoman with $2,580,795.80. For requirement 5, we had to create a graph showing the total sales of each type of insurance in each region. As you can see, professional insurance was by far the leading insurance sale in every region. For requirement 6, we were required to make a map showing the sales in each state. As you can see, the darker orange states have the lowest amount of sales, while the dark blue states have the highest amount of sales. Some trends that I can spot is that the Northeast has some of the highest sales, and that the Midwestern and Southern regions have the lowest amount of sales. This is the end of my video presentation. Thank you for watching.